Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech 360. In this video, we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 35, topic Characteristics of Microorganisms. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Mycotoxins are produced by options A. Bacteria, B. Fungi, C. Algae, D. Protozoans. Correct answer B. Fungi. Question number 2. The following diseases are caused by Mycoplasma except options A. Pneumonia in human beings, B. Little leaf of brinjal, C. Dwarf disease of mulberry, D. Citrus canker. Correct answer D. Citrus canker. Question number 3. The following organisms lack definite cell wall. Options A. Mycoplasma, B. L forms, C. Both A and B, D. Bacteria. Correct answer C. Both A and B. Question number 4. Nagler reaction detects options A. Corynebacterium diphtheria, B. Clostridium tetani, C. Clostridium perfringens, D. Clostridium botulinum. Correct answer C. Clostridium perfringens. Question number 5. The bacteria move in response to magnetic field is options A. Spirochetes, B. Treponema, C. Aquaspirillum magnetotacticum, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Aquaspirillum magnetotacticum. Question number 6. Virulent factor in pneumococcus is options A. Cell wall, B. Capsule, C. Mesosomes, D. Endotoxins. Correct answer D. Endotoxins. Question number 7. Which of these is a trace element for bacteria? Options A. Mg+2, B. Na+, C. Ca+2, D. Mn+2. Correct answer B. Na+. Question number 8. Most bacteria require vitamins as options A. Growth factors, B. Source of energy, C. Source of carbon, D. Source of electron donors. Correct answer A. Growth factors. Question number 9. Ergot disease is caused by options A. Puccinia, B. Rhizopus, C. Claviceps, D. Penicillium. Correct answer C. Claviceps. Question number 10. Cerebral malaria is caused by options A. Plasmodium vivox, B. P. ovale, C. P. falciparum, D. P. malaria. Correct answer C. Plasmodium falciparum. Question number 11. The size of the virus can be determined by options A. Micrography, B. Ultracentrifugation at high speed, C. Ultrafiltration, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 12. Differential staining of bacteria spore is related to options A. Albert staining, B. Lugol staining, C. Moller staining, D. Indian ink preparation. Correct answer C. Moller staining. Question number 13. Which rickettsia can be grown on blood agar media? Options A. Lactobacilli, B. Streptobacillus, C. Bacillus anthrax, D. Vibrio cholera. Correct answer A. Lactobacilli. Question number 14. Wilson and Blair bismuth sulfide medium is used for the growth. Options A. Salmonella typhi, B. Shigella dysentery, C. Vibrio cholera, D. E. coli. Correct answer A. Salmonella typhi. Question number 15. For sterilization of fermentation equipment, the method followed is options A. Radiation, B. Chemicals, C. Heating, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 16. The primary mode of transmission of poliomyelitis is options A. Oral route, B. Blood, C. Milk, D. Person to person. Correct answer C. Milk. Question number 17. Genetic constitution of the cell is options A. Phenotype, B. Genotype, C. Cryptotype, D. Histotype. Correct answer B. Genotype. Question number 18. Important class of respiratory enzymes. Options A. NAD, B. Cytochromes, C. ATP base, D. Hydrolysis. Correct answer B. Cytochromes. Question number 19. The formation spindle fibers in the process of cell division is prevented by options A. Colchicine, B. ATP, C. Hydrazine, D. All of these. Correct answer C. Hydrazine. Question number 20. A mutation causing a substitution of one amino acid is called options A. Point mutation, B. Silent mutation, C. Missense mutation, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Missense mutation. Question number 21. A cell becomes flaccid when placed in a options A. Isotonic solution, B. Hypertonic solution, C. Hypotonic solution, D. Normal solution. Correct answer B. Hypertonic solution. Question number 22. The proteinaceous compound are converted to ammonia by options A. Putrefaction bacteria, B. Ammonification bacteria, C. Nitrification bacteria, D. Denitrifying bacteria. Correct answer B. Ammonification bacteria. Question number 23. Cell cycle regulated by options A. Cyclins, B. CDKs, C. Cyclins and CDKs, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Cyclins and CDKs. Question number 24. A disease that can be transmitted by an infectious agent from one individual to another individual was called options A. Epidemic, B. Pandemic, C. Communicable, D. Coma. Correct answer C. Communicable. Question number 25. The most important energy yielding reaction for an aerobic organism is options A. Glycolysis, B. EMP, C. KDPG, D. Both B and C. Correct answer D. Both B and C. Question number 26. Which virus was first observed? Options A. Hepatitis virus, B. TMV, C. Cauliflower mosaic virus, D. None of these. Correct answer B. TMV. Question number 27. When a bacterial cell and mitochondria are treated with cyanide and carbon monoxide, what happens initially? Options A. Respiration inhibits, B. Photosynthesis inhibits, C. Protein synthesis inhibits, D. No effect occurs. Correct answer A. Respiration inhibits. Question number 28. Culture medium used for fungus is options A. Saborod's medium, B. Nutrient agar, C. Nutrient broth, D. Minimal agar medium. Correct answer B. Nutrient agar. Question number 29. A simple asexual spore which develops by budding is known as options A. Chlamydospore, B. Blastospore, C. Arthrospore, D. Conidia. Correct answer B. Blastospore. Question number 30. Salt agar is used for options A. Streptococcus, B. Staphylococcus, C. Vibrio, D. Shigella. Correct answer B. Staphylococcus. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. These are the newly launched courses in Unacademy Plus. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.